Keeping your Provision system properly sealed is essential for preventing leaks. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to replace the O-ring on the chlorine side of your system. Start by turning off the pump. If your system has shutoff valves on either side, close them to prevent water loss. Next, turn the large collar counterclockwise and remove. Take out the old O-ring and discard it. Carefully place the new O-ring in the groove on top of the unit, making sure it's seated properly. When reinserting the cap, make sure that the two holes on the VPAC receiver are lined up front to back when facing the front of the Provision system. On the black portion of the cap, you'll see two cutouts. Align the oval cutout with the front of the VPAC receiver and the left side cutout with the notch on the left side of the receiver. Once everything is aligned, insert the cap, push down, and tighten it by turning clockwise until secure. And that's it. A simple way to keep your system sealed and running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance guides or contact your local Great Escape experts. We're always happy to help.